Yeah, what's good, everybody? Let's see what Monday has to present us. I am kind of leaning bearish. I mean, we do have a bunch of LR at the lows as well as we are distributing here. You guys can see in the monthly time frame. We are working out of this monthly imbalance here, inefficiency as well here, breaking out of this range, which is really nice because we have been inside this range for a very, very long time. So seeing us break outside of this range was very amazing here. So it kind of does differ, honestly. I am waiting for 9:30 to open. On ES, we are rejecting out of this 4-hour, printing a massive rejection wick, as well as LR at this void here, as well as equal lows at London. Is a good draw. You have this 2-hour above us as well. So the way I look at it is if we're bearish, we'd obviously come and sweep some sort of liquidity, a nice little stop hunt to then send price lower. And if we're bullish, we would just run straight through it. Maybe get a sponsored imbalance below us as well, or order block to then send price higher. Just due to the noise in the back, bro. I'm sorry, bro. This dude has to be here. We'll have this order block here too as well. I'm market at 30-minute. It's a little bit better, but yeah, I'm back. Waiting for 9:30 to open and we'll see what price has to give us today. Trying to hit just a profit target, nothing too crazy. But yeah, let's get right into it. Market will open. I see we are just accumulating a bunch of LR at the high, so I suppose these lows as well. On a 5-minute, what are you doing on a 5-minute? 15-minute, any 15-minute. Yeah, we're checking out of this 15-minute here. Printing massive rejection wicks. Minute. Why does it have to lag now? Okay, 9:30 openings. I'll just stay on the. I won't stay on the 1-minute, but I'll just see what happens. I'll just stay on the 5-minute on ES. 9:30. Kind of just consolidating, so I kind of just want to see us break outside this range. What just happened? Do want to see us form a daily sequential SMT or hourly. Or a daily or hourly sequential SMT would be nice to then send price lower, which is nice. I see on ES, that's what we're doing. I kind of see it as we're accumulating, now we're trying to manipulate higher. So I have a bunch of LR at the lows. as well, which is in the form of sell side liquidity. As well as YM. What are you doing on YM? Nothing really. See on YM. Okay. The YM take out the high. The YM did not. Kind of was hoping for us to take out this high here. I think we did on YM. Yeah, we did on YM. So as well as all the other assets as well. Just want to see what dollar is doing. Dollar is trading higher, so keep that in mind. Let's go back. Try this form. It's nice. Do leave 930 unintended, so we just open high as well as other. So as the 2 session open, we open trade higher. Then for me, we open high, low close probability scenario today. We do run out all of these equal highs as well, which is really good, which is a very good draw. So I kind of want to see we just accumulated. We took out all of this accumulation highs, leaving out the accumulation lows. So I like to see us retrace back into 930's open price, which is here at 29.050. Just want to get a nice little scalp, as well as CISD here, bearish CISD. Last up close candle that took some sort of buy side liquidity, which is this candle here. We do have an order block here as well, as well as this here. Inside this 15-minute as well. We get a nice little daily sequential SMT. But am I? Oh, no, you're not gonna get. We had this 2 hour, so I can't really have this 2 hour. I don't really like to trade up to like 9:40, 9:45. So I'll just sit on my hands until I'm presented or something. Yeah, alright, we're still in a premium. The kind of does align with negative standard deviation. Negative 2.5. Where it gives us like a valid entry for us to then take a short position. A whole bunch of draws below us as well, moving higher. Still have this imbalance here, but I'm 8 points away, almost 500 points. Where's 830? $830 is here. Did consolidate at 830. Open up a 5 minute. Try this 30 minute. Well, just ripping higher. Try to reject out of this 30 minute. Slowly take out all of this buy side above. You have a CISD. I want to see us close. I'll take this here. Targeting back to 930. I do want to see us close above this, below the CISD. For me to then validate shorts. So this is waited out. I got a pretty rejection wick because that was good. I'm gonna see what it will do for. Anything below this? No, not really. Kind of just want to just wait it out a little bit. I know we do have a overblock wall here. There's a line too, -2 standard deviation. Open up any gap. I want to see you give us another stop rate to then send price lower, in my opinion. That would be very, very much good idea to give us another stop rate. Just give us another like micro sequential SMT, which would be nice, or daily, or 90-minute. Okay, 90-minute microcycle, which is nice. NQ takes out previous high. What are you doing? Do have previous day high above us as well. No, that is the new walk. Which is good, that's what I like to see. We disrespect the 4 hour. It's kind of like we're disrespecting bears, respecting bullish. A bunch of bullish PD arrays. Well, this 30 minutes still has 15 minutes to close. They take out HI highs as well. Maybe trace inside this order block here as well. Just maybe CE the order block, which would be a good valid entry to then send price higher to this deal here above. Okay, if you do not have anything, no sequential SMT that lowers, nothing for us to send price lower, unless we do form something here. That's what I'm waiting for, but I haven't really seen anything yet. They open up a 5-minute order block. You most definitely could have caught this here, going higher. .45 opens. we're rejecting out of. So then some price lower. Like a CISD here close. I'm gonna take a short position back to 930. It's a good draw. I kind of just missed the entry, but I wouldn't mind taking at least 7 contracts. Just so I can minimize the entry here. See how it pans out. Yeah, 930, that's a good draw below us as well. Mondays are not the best, bro. This is not really good volatility here, especially on a Monday. Don't want to see us kind of close below this order block here as we're in a premium. So it's even 930 unattended as well is a good draw. So I'll just sit on my hands. Start to trail my buy stop. Minimize my losses honestly, because I'm trying to just get partials. I'm not really trying to take a big RR. I'm trying to pass a funded account. Trying to keep my consistency level low as well. Just give me like a little bit of profits. I'm not really trying to go crazy. This is where I'll just be break even. Kind of see how we just ticked my stop here, my buy limit. We close, nice candle closure, very nice displacement here. We don't want to see us trade back. Like how we're just spiking sideways. Nice close. So yeah, I'm done for the day. It was not a bad trade, honestly. It wasn't the best, but I did have good conviction that we will end up trading lower, which did end up panning out as well. Want to see us as well. We were inside the premium range, so when we're in the premium, as well as when we're above price, we'd want to short, because that's where we'd want to pair our short positions. But yeah, it was definitely a good trade. 1-to-1. I just wanted to pass my funded. Had to have a minimum profit target for my consistency level to then of course a payout, which is amazing in my opinion. As well as a Monday, honestly, I didn't really want to aim for big RR. I was aiming for 930. That's my big DOL, my DOL targets as well. We do have a bunch of sell side as well as LR as well. It does align with negative 2.5 standard deviation, which is a very, very good target. So yeah, that's about it, honestly. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Any guys questions? I have my free Discord down below. Appreciate it.